Now let's move ahead to the next topic. So the first sum which we are going to see is find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. So given AP is odd number starts from 1, next odd number is 3, 5, 7, so on. Now our limit is still 150, but 150 is an even number, so the number before 150 is 149, it is an odd number. So in this case the given AP is 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 149. Now in this sum we have to find out the sum of all odd numbers. So here we will see one new formula. Here first I can say A is equal to 1 D. Now what is D? D is nothing but the difference between any two consecutive numbers. Already we have seen this in previous sums. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now first we will find out the value of n, that is we will find out the number of odd numbers from 1 to 149. So our T of n is equal to 149. We know T of n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore substitute the values. 149 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. 149 is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2. Therefore 149 is equal to 2n minus 1. 149 plus 1 is equal to 2n. Therefore n is equal to 75. So in this way we got the value of n. So what we have done, we have found out the number of terms in the given AP. Now we have to find out the sum of all the terms. Now for finding out the sum of the terms of an AP, there are two formula. So first we will see by method 1. S of n is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So again we will see the formula. So here we are seeing a new formula. S of n, that is sum of n terms, is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now number of terms are 75. So S of 75 is equal to 75 upon 2. 2a, what's the value of a? 1 plus 75 minus 1, 74 into d. What is d? 2. That is equal to 75 upon 2, 2 plus 148. That is equal to 75 upon 2 into 150. That is equal to 75 multiplied by 75. 2 ones are 2, 75s are. Therefore S of 75 is equal to, now we have seen the shortcut method for finding out the square of the numbers having 5 in the units place. So what is the square of 5? 25. Here we are having 7. Number after 7 is 8. 7 8s are 56. So your answer is 5625. Now we will see one more formula method. S of n is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket a plus l. Now you know the value of n, you know the value of a. What is l? L is nothing but last term. This formula can be applied for all the sums. This formula can be applied if and only if we know the last term of the given AP. Therefore S 75 is equal to 75 upon 2. What is the first term? 1. What is the last term? 149. 75 upon 2 into 150. 75 into 75. Therefore again we will apply the same method. This method is applicable if and only if the digit in units place is 5. 5 square is 25. Number which comes after 7 is 8. 7 8s are 56. So by both the method you are going to get the same answer. So today we have seen one new formula The formula is S of n is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula should be applied if we have to find out the sum of the terms of the given AP. There is one alternate formula, S of n is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket a plus l. This formula can be applied if and only if you know the last term of the given AP.